Welcome to the Creative Fabrica Studio tutorial, where we'll guide you through creating your first design in just 10 minutes. Are you ready to unleash your inner creativity and explore the exciting design world? Look no further than Creative Fabrica Studio, your ultimate gateway to effortless artistic expression. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned designer, our powerful features will help you create stunning designs in a snap. With this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to make your first design using Studio's user-friendly tools and unleash your imagination like never before. Get ready to experience something truly awe-inspiring. Step 1. Explore next-generation design. If you are searching for ways to boost your creativity, then Studio is the perfect solution for you. With an extensive selection of templates, graphics, fonts, and libraries, you can easily create personalized birthday cards or trendy t-shirt designs. Studio offers a diverse range of customizable templates tailored to various creative projects, from eye-catching social media graphics to professional business presentations. Whether you're designing a flyer for a local event or crafting an engaging infographic for your website, Studio provides the foundation you need to bring your ideas to fruition quickly and efficiently. For those looking to take things to the next level, the All-Access subscription unlocks Studio's full potential by providing access to its entire library of assets. The All-Access subscription not only grants you access to Studio's entire library of assets but also unlocks exclusive features and benefits to elevate your creative projects even further. With the All-Access subscription, you'll enjoy priority access to new releases, premium content, and advanced tools designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Step 2. Utilize Smart AI Tools Free PNG Generator. If you are looking for innovative AI tools to enhance your design process, Creative Fabrica Studio provides a range of solutions that can help streamline your workflow. One of the most valuable tools is Studio's free PNG generator, which can assist you in creating transparent PNGs with ease. Input a prompt, and Studio will generate the PNGs for you, making it easier to focus on your creativity without worrying about the technical details. With Studio's cutting-edge AI-powered tools, you can unlock your full potential and create designs that truly stand out. Let your creativity soar, and see what you can achieve with Studio today. Step 3. Upload your designs. Studio is a versatile and dynamic platform designed to empower creators like you, providing the tools and resources necessary to transform your artistic vision into a vibrant reality, whether you're a budding artist, seasoned professional, or anyone in between. Whether starting from scratch or building on existing designs, the platform offers the flexibility to effortlessly bring your creations to fruition. Do not hesitate to unleash your creativity without any limitations. Step 4. Understand your rights, your designs, your rules. It is important that you have a complete understanding of the licensing rights that come with your creations. With Studio, you can use all your content for personal and commercial purposes without licensing restrictions. Embrace your creative freedom and say goodbye to limitations. Watch the Studio License Explained video to gain an in-depth understanding of what you can do with your studio creations. Step 5. Learn tips and tricks. Don't waste any time. Check out Studio's tips and tricks resources for exclusive guidance on making the most of its innovative features and take action now. For design techniques and project inspiration, visit Studio's YouTube channel. Put these tips into action and take your projects to the next level, or share them on social media to spread the word about the wonders of Creative Fabrica Studio. Step 6. Customize and refine your design. Once you have chosen a template or uploaded your design, you can customize it by changing the colors, fonts, and layouts to create your unique look. The Studio provides an array of editing tools that assist you in perfecting every aspect of your design, ensuring that it aligns with your vision. Don't hesitate to experiment and unleash your creativity. The possibilities are limitless. Once you're content with your design, you can share it with the world. Whether creating a personalized gift for a loved one or launching a new product, Creative Fabrica Studio has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. With its intuitive interface, a vast library of assets, and powerful editing tools, Studio makes it easy to create stunning designs that stand out. Whether you're looking to print custom merchandise, publish a book, or craft unique decor items, Studio streamlines the production process, ensuring that your creations can be brought to life with professional quality and precision. Let's get started and make things happen. Well, you are done. You have just finished designing your first project using Creative Fabrica Studio. Studio has a user-friendly interface and advanced features, which give you the power to unlock your creativity and bring your ideas to life like never before. So, what are you waiting for? You can start and explore the endless possibilities of creating your next masterpiece. Let your imagination run wild. Remember, Creative Fabrica Studio is your ultimate tool for design exploration and creation. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Studio offers endless possibilities to express your creativity. Join the Studio community today and unlock the power of your imagination. So why wait? Dive in and start creating your masterpiece today. We hope you enjoyed the content as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content. Until next time, take care and stay awesome. Subscribe to our channel.